Did you see that Zoom just released the new Immersive View feature in their latest update? If you haven't updated your computer, quick, go do that so that you can get access to this new feature, which is excellent for classrooms as well as meetings and fun family get-togethers. In today's video, we're going to explore this new feature together. My daughter with her stuffed animal, Bunny Carrots, will also be joining and helping us out as we explore all of the 9 immersive views. Whoa, I am blown away. I'm ShawnMHowell. Welcome on this channel. I do fun Zoom tips like this one here today, as well as DIY party games and Zoom games. Let's jump right in. All right, so we are gonna go up here. You see on the top right, I'm already in a Zoom, and you can see that my daughter is already here with us. We're gonna click on View in the top right. You'll see 3 options: Speaker, Gallery, and the new one, Immersive View. Okay, let's click on it. Now, here pops up, whoa, you have options. Choose Immersive View. This view will gather everyone in the same scene. Participants using older versions will view others with a dark background. So I am using my computer today, my MacBook, and my daughter is on my iPhone 8. And then you'll see place participants in the view. You can do this automatically or manually. I love this. So you can place your students or your game players however you want in the immersive view, or you can do it automatically. This would be great for teams. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's choose the first option. Will give you up to 5 people. So this one is not great for classrooms, but look, we show up in screen. This is so cool. We're pictures on a wall. Our background hasn't disappeared. We've just become part of the pictures on the wall. This would be great to do as a creative, fun meeting. I love this one. Okay, let's try another view. Change immersive view. Okay, this one will be great for classrooms up to 25 participants. Look at us. We are sitting in a classroom. Where's Bunny Carrots? Where's Bunny Carrots? We have disappeared off the background. I can talk, I can do my class from a seat. All your players, you can assign them seats. This is excellent if you want everybody to remain in their same seat to get to know the people beside them like a regular classroom. All right, let's try another view, you guys. I love that Zoom came out with this. Okay, here's for 6 people. This is your regular meeting room. You're having a conference. You want to look a little more professional. You can meet in a traditional conference room. You're giving a presentation. I love this. You can have a panel discussion. Okay, let's do another one. Now, if you want a more intimate setting, a fireside chat, you could have a chat with, let me pull this back a little bit so my daughter's face isn't so close up. There we go. I would love to use this on a YouTube live stream or a special meeting where I wanted to interview someone. This would be great to do that. Let's check out another one. They have 8 of these total. All right, we're just sitting at home. Is this a cooking class? I don't know what this one is. You got some Perrier water in the background there. I'm not quite sure. How would you use this one? Let me know. This view is not my favorite. Oh, there's more than 8. There's actually 9 maybe? Okay, here's another classroom one. See, these would be great. Not only, look, they've got me down at the front. You can obviously see that I'm a teacher. This one is perfect for classrooms where the teacher needs to be seen. So I'm thinking elementary school children, middle school, elementary, preschool. I'm the teacher. Kids are sitting in the seats. I love this one. Okay, let's go to another. Here's another 2-person one. And this one, I guess if you want to have a cooking show or you want to talk about making, I don't know. Tell me how you would use this one as well. It's obviously in a kitchen. All right, let's go to another. Okay, this next one I love for teams. If you have team games or you want to put your students in teams, then each one of these little table surfaces, you can have different teams. I love this one. This one's so much fun too. And then our last one, you can create your own immersive view. Oh, this one's silly. How would you use this one too? I have so many thoughts. I also haven't collected all my thoughts on this. Which one of these immersive views would you use? Which one would you find most helpful for your setting? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you as excited about this feature as I am? Will you be using it in your Zoom classrooms or your Zoom party games, your Zoom birthday parties, get-togethers? And I really think I would like to see Zoom come out with some sort of a party, a birthday party room or a festive room to host. Maybe I'm picturing like a table, like a card table where you could put all of your players around the table. And that's what I'm thinking should happen next. Maybe I'll create that one for my own background. Let me know if you would like to see that. All right, the way that you stop the immersive view is you go back up to view and you check if you want to do speaker or gallery. I think my daughter's pretty much tired and she wants to go watch a video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.